Picked up another 350 today, 2011, exact same again. It's a pretty standard KM thing. This one doesn't start whatsoever. When I was there, I threw a jumper pack on it and actually got to start up. I'm pretty sure all this needs is a charger. So throw this charger on there and then leave it for whatever, a couple of hours, come back and check. So we're sitting at 9 volts, which is nowhere near enough to get it going. Come back to it in a couple of hours, see how it goes. Topped off, coolant's all good. We're already charging up. Ready? Turns over already with just a little bit of charge. So once it's charged right up, I'd say we'll have no problems with firing. So we've got a bit of daytime now. We can actually see what we're working with here. The chain looks a bit terrible, so I'll swap that one out. Might just try and lube it up, see how it comes up, but it's not very good. Sprockets look all right. We've got a full depth exhaust, which is pretty nice. But yeah, so you can hear the fuel pump. Dead. So I went the idle right up and it still died. Won't start again. So I'm assuming it's the fuel pump. I'll swap the tank out, have a go, see what happens there. But when it starts, it sounds fine. Getting the tank off is actually very easy. Pop that off down here, press that in, and am I gonna be able to do it? There we go. That just pulls out, and we just take this one. On off. Okay. Pull that out. Pull that off. Not completely. And so let's put that back in there so we don't lose it. There. Tank pulls off like that. Put that on the ground. If anything's, everything looks neat on here. It's a little bit kinked. Oh, yeah, it could be pushed up a bit higher. Push it up into the frame a little bit so it's a bit less kinked. We've got the other tank sitting on there. Let's see if it does anything different. Fuel pump. Does. From what I can tell, it had the wrong spark plug. It meant to be LMAR9 AI8, but it was AI9. It's now idling fine now. It's got a bit of a dead spot. But it seems pretty decent to me, so I'll take it for a ride later and see how we go. So if you prime it, hopefully quick 10-minute fix, but I'd never like to get my hopes up too hard, so we'll let it cool down, come back later, start it back up. Well, I'll try the other fuel tank back on. May not have even been the tank, but it could have been a couple of different things. Maybe that plug was all fouled. So she's all fixed. I ripped the injector out of this one. So that injector in, tank on. What else did I do? Spark plug. I've got to remove all that crap first. That bike just sold. Yeah, I just took it for a spin up the road and it hammers. So yeah, it's fixed now. We'll get it started up. Prime it. Sits there idling good. switched the tank. Still had a massive dead spot up top end, had no power at top end, it was super lean. So the injector was clogged. Could just be the little filter in the injector, which I'll check. In the other one, it could just be like filthy, but so we're actually running now. I'll go over it, make sure it's got enough oil. Back running now, starts every time, runs how it should, idle's nice and smooth. Before I go to sell it, I will swap the tire out because it's pretty bad. I'll throw a new chain on there, so it's a couple $100. Give it a good clean up, just degrease everything. I've just changed the oil, air filter's all good. Apart from that, it's pretty well ready to go, just needs a bit of a tidy up. But it does everything it should now, so not bad for a day's work.